Starting an LLC in Alaska is a great way to protect your personal assets and officially launch your business. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps so you can set up your LLC quickly and confidently. The first step is choosing a name for your LLC. Alaska requires that the name be unique and not already in use by another business. You can check availability on the Alaska Division of Corporations website. Don't forget, your name must include LLC or Limited Liability Company. Next, you'll need to file the Articles of Organization. In Alaska, this can be done online or by mail through the Division of Corporations, and the filing fee is $250. Once approved, your LLC is officially formed. After filing, it's a good idea to create an operating agreement. Alaska doesn't require one by law, but having an operating agreement helps outline how your LLC will be managed, how profits are shared, and how decisions are made among members. Next, apply for an EIN from the IRS. It's free and only takes a few minutes online. You'll need it for taxes, opening a business bank account, and hiring employees. Finally, Alaska requires every LLC to file a biennial report to stay in good standing. The filing fee is $100, and the report is due every 2 years by January 2nd. And that's it. If this guide helped you understand how to start an LLC in Alaska, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple business tips.